Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two essentials, a logged-in TikTok account and a browser or app. Once done, open TikTok's Creative Center or Ads Library feature. This is where active ad creatives are stored. Make sure you're in the correct region because ad availability varies by country. Next, sign in if prompted so you see full details. These steps get you straight to the search field and filter tools, skipping needless setup and putting you on the path to identify competitor ads quickly. Now you run targeted searches. Enter an advertiser name, specific keywords, or an ad ID to narrow results. Once results appear, apply filters, select region, date range, ad format, and campaign objective to refine relevance. You'll want to preview creatives and click into each to inspect captions, CTA, and creative assets. These details reveal strategy and messaging. Make sure to toggle any metric displays so you can compare impressions and engagement. This helps you prioritize which ads to emulate or avoid. Finish by analyzing and exporting. Save screenshots or export lists of ads, then document recurring creative patterns, CTA, and durations that perform well. Use those insights to build hypotheses for your own tests and map audiences based on the ad targeting clues you uncover. If you run into missing results, troubleshoot. Clear browser cache, try a VPN to simulate another region, and confirm account permissions. These fixes usually restore visibility. Then iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.